Hey guys, it's here at Chris representing Jamaica here in Jamaica. That is crazy to say, guys. I will say hello.
Hello.
So guys,
essentials.
but you have one. So we're on our way to Montego Bay right now, and we're gonna get a digital SIM card for some internet because we've been like off the map for the most part.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can get some patty. Because right now that's one my elephant. Yesterday we had jerk chicken like you've seen, so that was cool.
Yeah, right now somebody out here with taxi because we get lost.
So we'll take a taxi and see you all in town, guys. $100? What?
Like a change of meeting.
That's so nice. Thank you very much. Man, just give me the $100. Why? Because you look like you must struggle with the change. Oh, that was nice. But you have 100 anyways. Yes, and give me 100 for add up. One of them up to 100? 9. You give me 100. Add up to mine. So I can't ask one after. Thank you.
Sometimes I get no Jamaican slushy. I take care.
So sweeter than German slushy.
Definitely a lot sweeter.
So guys, back in the day, this was Burger King. Oh my God, Lloyd's is still there. So I forgot on that way for digital thing. Sam Shop Square. I forgot, so Sam Shop Square inside digital, you know. Shots. Right.
Finally find one trash can. But after maybe the trash can you have.
Yeah, look guys, they moved Burger King. That's what Female was telling us. So guys, we're in town now. We just got SIM cards. Yes, tell them what happened.
We only have the 3-day plan because the machines don't accept the new monies.
Yes.
So we need to convert the new money into old money somewhere.
In order to get the plan.
Yeah. But 3 days is okay for now.
We're glad even the 3 days, guys. It's been off the map.
Yeah, so we have internet for 3 days so far.
Yeah.
Which is a big improvement.
Oh, we're going to eat patty. Let's go. So guys, this is called Sam Sharp Square. Oh gosh, this heat. Come, let's go.
I'm surprised.
I'm surprised.
I never think they would have you.
Come on, don't doubt Jamaica. Don't doubt Jamaica, Sarah. She didn't think they would have plant-based in
But
Jamaica.
on everywhere like
No, Pierre Rasta there, Jamaica, Sarah. Think before you talk.
But on everywhere it is. That's why.
Jamaica is no exception. You can just cross up.
Read the Bible, take one. You read the Bible, take one. It's free.
I got my sister.
the smell. Guys, the smell is not normal. Line, you know? Are they like that? So how many years? 10 years since you're eating a patty?
Remember, we didn't eat patty in between them, but they don't count real.
No, that's not my patties. My patties is not just beef patties.
But I don't know, everything just feels strange after 10 years. Huh? How you feel?
Guys, for me it's been like 6 years and I can't believe this is happening. So good. Nothing, Sarah. Sarah got soy patty. Like photo shooting now.
Bossy flips. You're real girl.
Done on us again.
I don't mean and tell us that I'm going to